Nyame adom eho ye. Ya di sewie ntino back to adwuma ne ade a. There's office so boko there.
Yes, adom.
Ya da nyame ase. In fact, yeah, tete from Bantama. Baby a Koko ase park no wo no. The extension school na what the other side na yina. I just say omo ton cars or hono omo start complain say care me move to omo. But you betimi aboa yen say about tables so sampa
assembly ya ko meeting ya dia to proposal so e to.
But what has been the engagement with them?
Yeah, no more champagne ben you know. Masako. Nti no kwa ye to omunyanko ya men nyanso e dey be to.
Na ba jo mama more time.
And I'm going to say, a man I was here the moment so much for me. So, assembly and I quite as I say, be 2 minutes. You and 2 minutes crowd, and I be 2. Until you be a mobile, you be 2.
No, but the information we are getting is assembly a more a week. Say, almost and you are casting free. Where are
assembly now committee now, it see Adnaya. Me chief executive, me duty bound to execute it. And I'm just saying, 2 minutes, what's not. No,
more to a now, but too much means a month settle on that will be 2 but they may pick up we
have taken a firm decision, a bit too, and we have good reasons in there, a bit too.
But the reasons near then.
Okay, more journalists are already among horses here. Ya parking car, my cock do classroom stairs. Can yeah, all school never be in Chom home fast. It because of complaints from the school's management and the SMC me on my school so the bear my complaint and premium. Only 2 parameters in school anymore. In the school and I yet on car.
Chief, what's your map or cast no map pakiama?
One share. I no pay my journalist woman call. What's that here? Opposite SD secondary school on the ya paki kama kobanti masomo program and say cause ukwa kuyeju bantu masomo twa unya baby mfa o car nko na da ko bantu masomo twa kwa kuyeju. And ya paki kama your school compound na me ye be stairs na kwa na fasowa classroom. How can we continue with that?
But if where them because me the last time I went there it was not like nen nru baby awo kase dru.
When did my catcher say what journalist? Some who call say Sibi am won open sa no have can we the effect. Make a video not about to do the effect.
No, because you heard there no there war Kokwase heading to Abrepo Junction the AC no.
Na anyone we if anything. LG second claim in the opposite.
So no before Kokwase ufri neighbor ufri swami neighbor before Kokwase there na walking Kokwase
abu Kokwase no one there the omo say headmistress no after barrier bi see Akoma bi hotel bi ewo no baby o mi yensa no nti hono sa side no mo but even that one ko mo to people be park no e the cars no ko compound na opposite LG secondary school ni enyen Nti we say the make me bo akotwa video na fa ni contrary ebeto hono we
because ayi de no de sa ba bia make we call Abrepo Junction after ufri. Yes, no, I'm saying that a hono de I have enough. Maybe I know I have enough because per the actually say hono mo start here the
me say
but yeah abeno sino
me no me pay say you me say nti fa o camera ko ano pay kucha o na bi say de me kana so na ne ko wini
de me kan ɛyɛ deɛ mmeama kɔ hu America ɛhɔ deɛ na America ɛhɔ no won sɛ ɛmɛ bi a ɛyɛ according to information no yɛ ɛno na yɛ the boundary between the
according to information.
Yes, I
inquire. Physical planning officer.
No, send me busai. Until I say abeno.
Physical planning officer.
No, chief. Me say. And go beyond that. Say you can say. About and at the American so ɛyɛ deɛ woka sɛ ɔmo de akɔ akɔduru nkwadaa no ɔmo baabi a nkwadaa no bɛdi agorɔ kromu nya no
ɛna away from the truth is that me die ma no a meka kyerɛ me say sɛ wogyina LDA secondary school no opposite hɔ a yɛapake kaa kɔsi hɔ ɛkɔkora sɛ ma no is that not a fact?
I mean,
so why do you want to move away from that area?
No, based on the who dear, I cannot confirm the also can say the fact.
Sir, you could run LD secondary school opposite to I am Pakeka Menkoka schools in the
Yes, may I've gone beyond say could now.
Me jadi me bi amaba o jaye nko. Me ni nya ye ko. Me jadi me bi aba. Me ni nya ye nko. Me nka video. Ye ko na de me kan nya be bom da paadi.
But chief, let's
establish the fact.
No, but the fact.
I don't talk about it with passion. Me can't no akukudro so meaning the man. And me say me and then you call long holiday. I have a lot of schedules to attend to, but me joining in Aba.
Oh, yeah, the environment no beko. I know the environment no beko. Yeah, I ready. A point show. You beat me in the movie.
Yeah, the engineer is here, uncle. For the journalist, madam, that's all the radio. Omamba, na me see more.
Okay, that's fine.
Because when we want to establish facts, it must not be at convenient. Yeah, I only think I be a busy thing, but me say me try maybe also. Because I want to establish. So you send your team. Let me meet them there right now.
What they're okay, and it's a more fancy school no.
Me say let's establish the basis first. And then I was subsequent questions are answer because you draw one you true me I go to. I want to establish the how. And show you the solution to the harm.
Okay. Yeah, be caught. I know they be caught, but sending community
and then if I look at the came a quack source of about meeting them or better assembly meeting there. And when they are assassinated by one, as I see the state of mental, waiting their sister, I use. See the friend as I know, young time can see the friend as I know, young time can see and amoeba. Headmaster Bangu, my young toy as an amoeba. School assassin, stick out one thing and can say the other could be get fun to the zone by 1 minute. So I can say. Over time, I media, you don't stop it. I didn't know. You see, you no banner so on support it. Yeah, over time, I so where from this wild allegations, I came as well with this also. Anyway, where from that wild allegation? Or every time we have to be sensational.
Or no, can I say allegedly?
So you people, you have access to the leadership. It's what you have said. It has never happened. It is something that we have discussed at the assembly meeting.
And the chief boy, but the air can you establish the Babayu. And the
So was one young to say, we went into my pocket and I could run. Okay.
Based on a dam, me call them deacon. Said when
you see, we are talking to people. You have basis now. Whatever I say after the basis will make sense. I'll not feed into your.
Okay, so granted. Say Omo Apakia could draw. What are we doing?
And we are based on hypothetical acceptance. It was a granted. I don't want us to do hypothesis. I want us to speak to facts. And then we say, I am available. Let's go to the place. Let's take video shots of the place.
Okay.
Let's establish the background. After that, we'll continue the discussion.
Okay, Chief. We have a video. This video where Friday video.
Let's say.
You are.
Why are you running away from the challenge I'm giving to you? Let's say.
You see, it can even happen, say. You see, Akoma yedi. Ebi ano pay be corner cars ni bi NCC or said there. Eh possible say the secret here ano pay or make movie cars from there because chief executive is coming there.
But wait, movie person ni na ko movie cars ni afro. We empty.
Enti womo awura mu a oma call school no premises na omo cars na mo se omo nyi free wa na say omo kwan no ho a omo ton cars no.
Sir John, there's a lot I want to say about that area. The first thing I want us to do is for me and you to go to the site. I'll show you what I am talking about. When we are done, I'll have time for you.
Okay. And yeah, why?
Okay.
Yeah,
all right.
Yeah, that's it. All right. Thank you. And Evanzinkum. Yeah. So now